Hey guys, Jesse Helmendala with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Let's go over the front squat. Before we can go over the front squat, we're actually going to do our mobility screening for the front squat, and that is the elbows up wall squat test. So Andrew's going to come in here. He's going to get 1/2 of a shoe length distance away from the wall. So 1/2 of a shoe length. Beautiful. He's going to go and get into a squatting stance. Now Andrew, if you would, go ahead and clasp your fingers back behind your head. He's going to interlace his fingers. Beautiful. His elbows are going to be straight on the wall. He's going to keep his elbows on the wall. Now, all the same squatting mechanics that we've covered before, shooting his hips back, his knees out, he's going to squat down. And what we're looking for is that Andrew is able to keep a nice upright torso. Yeah, go and try it again. That's all right. That's totally normal. So Andrew, when he first started with us, there's no way he could even begin to attempt this. He might get 3 inches down and would fall back. So Andrew is having a little bit of trouble here. He hasn't really warmed up. So really pushing the knees out. And stand. Good job. Go ahead and do 2 more of those there. Good. Nice, good, upright torso. What we're looking at is that if Andrew could not keep his torso up and he was leaning forward and he really wouldn't even be able to do the full squat, then we probably wouldn't put a barbell in his front rack position. We'd probably work on some mobility, keep him back squatting. Now, that's not to say that that's the end of it. Once we find out whether he has a passable test or not, let's say that he would fail the test and he wasn't able to get down low enough, then we'd start exploring a little bit. Is it his ankle mobility? Is it his thoracic spine mobility? Maybe it's just motor control because he doesn't have much practice with the movement. From there, we would address where his issues are, and we would prescribe him the movement, and we would attack it from there. So go ahead, and if you're at home, you have a few minutes, go ahead and go up to your wall, get 1/2 of a shoe length away, interlace your fingers back behind your head, elbows in front, and see if you can pass the elbows up wall squat test.